Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of, what is it, December 13th through the 19th, and I have another four and a quarter work week because I have most of Friday off, and this week festive all month, but this week I will be using the holiday bouquets and the poinsettias from According to Allie. This is my last month of my rep team, or being part of her rep team. This is my last month being part of her rep team. So keep using the code Karina15 until the end of December to get 15% off these stickers. I'll be combining it with some Simply Gilded washi, and then we'll go from there. See what happens. Let's get started. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled out some of my Tombow brush pens. I'm trying to figure out which one is the one that matches the best, and I believe it's either 992 or 942, which are these two. I think I'm going to go with 942. So I'm just going to do a circle, and now you can barely see it. Just a circle around the dates just to add a little bit of something. I've seen a lot of people do this, and there's something about adding that just that changes up the spread. I'm going to draw the line straight down the middle again using my Sailor Pro Gear Slim. This time I have it inked up with Diatramentis Document Black, I believe. I'm trying out different blacks to see which one is going to be the best one to work out for me. I'm going to try this. I think I'm going to try Pilot Roshizuku Takesumi. I am not sure if I'm saying any of that right, but anyway, okay. So that's what I have. It sounds like I haven't done a plan with me in ages. Okay, so I'm going to place this right here. Here we go. I love the color of that. And then I'm going to put down the red washi. I got these samples from a shop here in Edmonton called Watch Me Washi. And I love being able to buy samples of Simply Gilded washi because I may not necessarily use the whole roll. And it's nice to be able to have just a little sample of something, and then if I ever do want, where did I put the end? If I ever do want to go back and buy more, there's always the option to do that, but it's always nice to be able to just to buy what you need. And even if it's just a little sample, Oh, love it already. Then I'm gonna add a poinsettia, I think, to the top. Again, I don't want to go super crazy, and I think Lucy's going to bark here in a sec because my husband just got home. Oh, hold on. I'm looking at this now, and I feel like it's a lot of color already. Let's turn this around, and I think I'm going to cut part of it off. I'm not going to use the whole thing. How do I want it to go? Oh, I can hear Lucy wanting to come back in. And just cut off that. And then I can use the rest of it in a different part of the spread. Or have it overlap. Yeah, actually, I think overlapping might work. Oopsie. Or, because it's just never enough for me to second guess myself quite a few times before I make a decision. Cut this in half and place that there. And then I think that corner is done. I don't want to add anything else to it. I do want to work on keeping my spreads really simple as I place a sticker up here, which will cover up any room for a to-do list, so I'm not going to do that. Yeah, I do want to work on keeping my spreads simple in the Hobonichi. I've been watching a lot of other planners like Lindsay Scribbles, who her weeks are just so functional. I love it. How is this not going back quickly? I also watch Paper Joy PH, who has really, really functional spreads. So I do want to use the stickers that I've got. But yeah, I like that. I think I will just keep it like that and start writing in. So what I'm going to do, oh, there's Lucy at the door. Hold on. Okay. So Lucy said, Lucy went and said hello to my husband, and now she's, whoops, back with me. So I'm going to just put that across there. And then with my Tombow, just write notes. Already, I like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and start writing in all my meetings, and then I will be done. Finished spread. Again, very well, there's not much that's going to be written in here and in the to-do list until my work week actually starts. The only thing I can really populate it with is with my meetings, and I really liked adding the Tombow dual brush pens for a little bit of color there. And then I think as my notes go out through the week, we'll see how much color I do want to add to that. I think with the holiday spreads, I do want it to be a bit more colorful, and as I go and try and use the stickers that I do have, I'm going to try and use up the colors that I do have and go from there. Still trying to find the style that works for me. I don't want to be, you know, I don't want to use no stickers whatsoever, but I don't want it to overload me and overwhelm me either. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope this gave you guys some ideas to how you can use this for work. So again, this section for meetings, this section for to-do list, and then this section for any notes or other to-do lists that do come up, because my to-do lists are basically on a day-to-day basis here, and then anything else that I do need to remember throughout the week or other priorities I will put here as well. They won't necessarily have a specific due date. So for example, I have something that comes up on the Monday, it's not due until the Friday, I will put it on this side and then work on it as I go, and things like that. So I'm still trying to find my overall style, and